Here is the HP-23 power supply with the changes put in that I wanted to put in to change the low voltage power supply, which is another name for B+, because it's not the high voltage for the plates of the finals in the transmitter. So that's all the Harvey Wells needs. It doesn't need the super high plate voltage, although that may benefit it. Anyway, maybe I could split it out like that later, but for now we're just going to go with the vanilla Harvey Wells connections. And the Harvey Wells actually wants 475 volts. I only have 340 volts, 350 volts here. So it might have low output, but you got to start somewhere. So that's what I'm going to do. Here's the changes in the power supply, and I'm going to turn it off to avoid explosions and getting shocked. Anyway, here's the inside. So again, here's this brown wire from the transformer, and that brown wire is this brown wire right here. And so I've made this connection from here to here and taken away, I guess, this one, which is really this connection here. So it either goes from here to here. So again, that was the green wire that I've kind of clipped, and the famous green wire is hanging around. There it is. So here's the green wire that was over here. I just simply cut it off and added another green wire, which goes to the brown wire on the transformer. And that gave me the voltage I want. I still would like higher voltage, but beggars can't be choosers. So now it's time to wire this thing up to the Harvey Wells and see what happens. All right, I did buy a kit for about 40 bucks, expensive. And the guy sent me, a plug for the Harvey Wells. This is actually for Heathkits, but he sent me the plug for the Harvey Wells. And he sent me some wire, which is right here, which is great and groovy, but he didn't send this plug here, so I'm kind of screwed. I still can't really make headway unless I just shove wires in there or solder onto here. I don't want to solder onto here, so maybe another week out from the Harvey Wells working. And since I'm moving out of Nevada, I'm running out of time. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.